Alright guys, this is the unboxing of the Apple Watch 5. This is amazing. I love this watch a lot. I saw it at the store and I fell in love with it. I had to get this watch. Now this one I have is basically the same as last year with some new key features that have changed, okay? Not much. Basically it's the same, but there's a few new things, okay? For instance, now this one has a different box, okay? The box has changed. It's really, really nice. This is the 44 millimeter version. In the previous years, they had a smaller version. They had the 38, they had the 42, they had the 40 version. Now this one is a 44, which I really like. By the way, those are all the Apple Watches that you can buy right now. They have the ceramic, stainless steel, whatnot. They have all the different colors in them. Okay, this is what I ended up choosing. Now, that is the band that I ended up choosing with it. You can actually mix match the colors that you like for this watch. When you go to the Apple Store, or if you go online, they actually custom build the band to match the watch the way you like it. So for instance, let's say if you have the gold watch and you want a band that matches it. This one worked really nice when I put it on together because this has the blue and also it has the gold on the outside. It's almost like a gold yellow, which matched this gold watch really nice. And the gold watch actually has different faces, so you can match the different face colors, or if you don't want to match it, you don't have to. You can make it all different colors that you like. But anyways, you have that option, which you didn't have in the past. I really appreciate Apple doing that because in the past we never had that option. Now, let's see if we can get this thing open, okay? Because I had a little trouble with this. I didn't realize there was a tab on the back of it. So let's open it up and take a look and see what it looks like. The tab's on the side right over here. As you guys can see, took me a couple of seconds to figure out where it was, but it was really satisfying to open that up. This box feels premium. Everything about this, from the box to the watch to the band, everything was premium. Apple, you did an amazing job this time, I have to admit. Not saying that you haven't done an amazing job in the past. I've always had a great unboxing experience with you guys, but this was really nice. I mean, look at that, guys. Look at how beautiful that looks. I mean, come on. Who else gives you a presentation like that? You guys see that? It's beautiful. Designed by Apple in California. Now, the watch comes in this really nice, almost like a felt or a suede material. You can see it says 44 millimeter on there. It's really, really soft. Then you have some usual books and information in here about the watch and your phone and how to connect it. And it also gives you some information about how to set it up. Once you set it up, it gives you some information about what all the buttons are all about. It has a side button, the turn knob on the side. It also, by the way, there's a very key feature about this watch, which is the always on display. Now that always on display is something that's already been in the market on Android watches for years. But, you know, it's nice to have that with Apple Watch finally. I mean, it's about time, Apple. You know, just help us out and, you know, put all the features that Android watch already has on Apple Watch. Come on. You spend thousands of dollars on your products. Why not give it to us? Okay, so here's the cable that comes with it. It's a really nice cable, sturdy, but it's basically the same. Doesn't look that much different from the previous generations. The charging brick that it comes with is the basic one that we've gotten for years. We're used to having something like that. I don't think that's a fast charging brick. It's the original brick. It shouldn't matter. This watch does not take that long to charge anyways. Let's slide this out of the felt and take a look. I want to see what this watch looks like. Wow. Look at that, guys. How beautiful is that? That's really nice, huh? I'm going to actually show you guys all of this glory. Look at the back of that. Look at the detail on the back of it. How beautiful is this, huh? I mean, it's amazing. Look at that gold. That gold can be worn by a female or a male. It's gender neutral. I feel like Apple did a very good job on that. Anybody can wear that. And here's a band. This is not a sport band, by the way. I don't like sport bands, so this is the one I like. I like this specific style. The sport band is nice for a different kind of person, or maybe if you're using it for the gym or something like that. I personally prefer this style. I've always gotten this style, and I also, by the way, wanted to tell you guys, anybody that has a 42 millimeter from the past, they can actually switch the bands from that one to this one. It'll fit. So if you have an old one that's a different color, you don't have to buy a new one. You don't have to spend extra $40-$50 on a new band. Just use one of those. I have a couple of them. I have a metal one, Luminese. I have a couple of the same ones in a different color, so I can switch those instead of using going to the Apple store and buying another one. And if I really want, I can go get one. Now, by the way, there's a trick to this. Make sure you guys put this right, because I actually made a mistake with this. The 44 millimeter where it says on the band, make sure that's on the inside of the watch and not on the outside like I did over here. I had to change it eventually. See how it says 44 millimeter right there? That's supposed to be on the inside. Just so you guys know. Let's turn it on and take a look, okay? All right, well, here's some information about the actual watch. Really nice. I mean, display looks very nice. This is an OLED display, by the way, guys. So it looks very, very nice. I know it's hard for you guys to see through YouTube, but I'm telling you, it's a really, really fancy and nice display. It's an OLED display, so you're gonna see everything crisp and clear. 60 hertz display. By the way, guys, this has a new compass app. It's really helpful for people that are outdoors, if they're going for a hike or camping, or just generally walking for long distances. It's extremely, extremely accurate from the previous years. By the way, I told you guys this has an always on display. I wanted to tell you guys, the always on display, it has its benefits. For instance, when you're out and about and you're with somebody, or if you're in a meeting, you don't want to always want to look at your watch, because it makes it look like you're in a hurry to get out of there. You don't want to do that. So you just always on display. You can kind of sneak it in and get away with it. That's really nice to have, okay? But the always on display takes a lot of battery. So if you want to shut that off, you can shut that off and not use that as much, okay? That'll save you on battery life. So this is a really, really nice key feature that they have on the Apple Watch. Look at the display. You can see all the different displays, all the different faces for it. There's more than these. I'm just showing you a few that they have. My favorite one is a blue one. This red one is nice also. I like this red one. I could use this if I wanted to, but my favorite one is this one right here. The solar dial. Check that out. It gives you so much information. It tells you the time, the date, so many different things on here. I like this a lot. And it goes with my band, so it's perfect. All of it fits in perfectly. The gold, everything's amazing. All right, guys. Well, that was the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5. If you guys don't mind, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon at the bottom of the video. It would really help me out. Oh, and if you guys like this video, I have more videos on my channel. Check those out also. And give me a like on those if you get a chance. Take care. Bye.